English Listening Test. Level A1. Listen to a teacher give students information about a new course to practice and improve your listening skills.
Hello, everyone. Hello. It's nice to see you all here. Welcome to British Life and Language. I am your teacher. My name is Lindsay Black. That's Lindsay Black. Before we begin, some information about the class. Our class is in room 13 on the first floor. When you go upstairs, turn left to find the room. Again, that's room 13. We have class twice a week, on Monday and Wednesday. Our class begins at 4:30 p.m. and lasts 90 minutes, so we finish at 6 p.m. That's 4:30 to 6. Please arrive on time, okay? Also, I have an office hour if you have questions. I'm in office 7B on the second floor. My office hour is Friday at 6 p.m. So if you have any questions or problems or want to talk to me, it's Friday at 6 p.m. in office 7B. We begin next week on March the 13th. That's Monday, March the 13th. The course ends on May the 20th. May the 20th is the last day. I think that's all. Oh, one more thing. For this course, you need the book. Here it is. British Life and Language, Level 1, Student's Book. So please get a copy of the book. I don't want to see any photocopies of the book. Thank you. Remember, it's Level 1 Student's Book. Don't buy the teacher's book. I think that's all, everyone. I look forward to working with you. See you next Monday.
What is the teacher's name? What room is the class in? What days is the class? How long is the class? When is the teacher's office hour? What date does the course begin?